Hi, I'm Christina Cassandra Vinluan from Grade 8 Sarah, your physics buddy. And welcome to this new chapter of new learning all about physics. Most of you are familiar about Newton's three laws of motion. Here's a brief explanation of Newton's three laws of motion, followed by an example of the first law in a short video. Newton's three laws of motion. First of all, law of inertia. It is an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue in motion with a constant velocity, unless acted upon by an external force. Followed by the law of acceleration. It is the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied to it and inversely proportional to its mass. The final one, law of action-reaction. It is for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. But for today's video, we're only discussing about what is actually law of inertia. As I said a while ago, it is the first law among Newton's three laws of motion. The law of inertia is a fundamental concept in physics and forms the basis for understanding the behavior of objects at rest and in motion. Here are a few more things to know about this law. Inertia is the property of an object that resists changes in its motion. The greater an object's mass, the greater its inertia. The law of inertia applies to both stationary objects and objects in motion. For example, a car at rest will remain at rest until acted upon by an external force, such as a push from a person or a force from the engine. The law of inertia also explains why people tend to remain in motion when a car suddenly stops. Because of their inertia, their bodies continue to move forward at the car's original speed until they are stopped by the seatbelt or airbag. Just like what's shown in this video. A ball is placed on a flat surface and left alone. According to the law of inertia, the ball should remain at rest. However, when the surface is shaken, the ball begins to move. This is because an external force or the shaking of the surface was applied to the ball, causing it to move from its state of rest. The law of inertia helps us understand how objects behave when no external forces are present, and forms the foundation for the other laws of motion developed by Newton. I hope you enjoy learning about Newton's first law of motion. What is that called? Very good. The law of inertia. Once again, I am Christina Cassandra Vinluan from Grade 8 Sarah, now ending this video.